Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ali Sultan and welcome back to Sir Zan's channel. Okay, let us solve some mathematics problem about probability. Number 17. A ball is drawn at random from a box containing 6 red balls, 4 white balls, and 5 blue balls. Find the probability that it is white. Letter A, 1 over 30. Letter B, 4 over 15. Letter C, 1 over 4. Letter D, 1 over 3. Okay, ang una natin gagawin para mahanap yung probability ng white ball is kailangan muna natin tingnan yung ating stack. Okay? So, kapag nag-draw down ng random doon sa box na may 6 red, 4 white, and 5 blue balls, ano nga ba yung probability na makuha natin is white ball? Okay? Anong probability nun? So, para mahanap natin, ano nga ba talaga yung tinatawag nating probability? Okay? Probability of an event that is equal to favorable outcome over the total outcome. Okay? Favorable outcome over the total outcome. Okay, so yung hinahanap natin is yung probability na makuha natin is yung white ball. So, ilan nga ba yung favorable outcome natin dyan? Ilan nga ba yung white ball? Diba, 4 lang sila? Ibig sabihin, yung favorable outcome natin is 4 lang. 4. And total outcome, ilan nga ba yung ball na nandoon sa box? Ilan nga ba sila? So, just add 6 plus 4 plus 5. Kapag i-add mo yan sila, that is equal to 15. So, probability of getting white ball is equal to 4. The favorable outcome is 4 and 6 plus 4 plus 5 the total outcome. And kapag add yan, that is 15. So, ang ating sagot is 4 over 15. Letter B. Follow for more.